What's up, world? This is Alfred back at it again with another video. It's the AC's on. It's a little warm in here. The temperatures have risen outside, so it's hot. It's hot. So today's video is basically just to install my latest RX 580 into my RX crate, milk crate. It'll be this right here, this top one. So I'm excited about it. We have two RX 580s right here, and then an RX 560. This one's doing pretty good. This one's kind of like my energy payer. It pays off my electric bill. It doesn't consume very much electricity, and it is profitable. And it just doesn't use that much electricity, so it's really good for that. My GPUs down below have one also. Well, actually it doesn't. They're all 1060s, but they used to have a card just made me 60, 70 cents, 80 cents, a dollar maybe. It was just to pay off the electric bill, and so now the 1060 is a full 1060, and this one eventually will be a full 580. I'm excited about it. So let's just get right into the build. Alright, so here is a PCIe Express card. I may not need it. Well, I won't need it right now, but I will need it when I get more GPUs in. This just basically extends the PCIe ports, adds more to this motherboard. This motherboard only can hold four cards. So here are my risers. I'm gonna try it out. Hopefully it will work. I haven't tried this brand out, but I got cheaper ones last time and they worked perfect, and they are working. So I spent a little extra money to try these out. These have LEDs on it somewhere. I believe they're right here in this top corner. It has Molex connector. It has a SATA, and then or Molex, SATA, and then 6-pin. So that's awesome. All right, so I am going to install the riser. All right, so I zip tied the riser down. Didn't really do it how I wanted to because this riser is shaped a little bit different. I may come back and just put really small nails or screws into the board, just one or two maybe. But yeah, so now I am going to install the Molex connector. I actually have a splitter to go to, I mean, not Molex connector, I keep saying that wrong. Splitting off to a 6-pin. So this one has 6-pin. I don't even know what the GPU has yet. So I am going to plug it in like so. There we go. And then I will install the riser, use the small PCIe USB piece, and then the USB. I will need to soon get longer USB cords, because these USB cords are very short. Actually attach it, and then alright, so now I'm going to run it under these pieces of wood. So one thing to note, I've been really trying to avoid these the SATA cables that come with the risers, simply because they're molded here. Let's see if I can focus on this. Not gonna focus. There we go. It's molded, and so when they mold it and press it together, the wires could actually move and separate and touch each other, and then you'll have have this short out and possibly cause a fire. So now let's get into the meat and potatoes of the rig. This is the Radeon RX 580. Here are some of the specs on the back. RGB lighting. This is definitely going to be the best graphics card I have so far. Alright, so here is the card here. Just beautiful. Has fans stop. Hopefully these fans never stop. Here it is. It's an 8-pin. It's not a 6-pin. So I'm glad that I have that option. These fans gotta stick out a little bit. But yeah, so let's just put it in. So now I am going to zip tie the graphics card to my little stick. The stick that keeps everything as one to keep it kind of up. There we go. Okay, so here we are. We have them all set up. I need to cut the zip tie. The thing is huge. All hooked up. Now it's time to power it on. Hopefully everything works out. Or everything's good. You never know with this. You never know if it's gonna work or not. No matter how simple it was to hook it up. So we're just gonna hit the power supply switch and then hit the start up. Oh. So I covered those LED lights up because they're extremely bright. But there we go. So the GPU just lit up. So the fan stop just turned off. So now I just have to go and make sure that it's running. Gotta check my laptop and check simplemining.net, I believe it is. So. All right, so we're at my laptop now, and it looks like the RX rig is up. It restarted twice. Yeah, it restarted twice. And I'm pretty sure that's just because I turned it off and then turned it back on. And then it probably restarted after that to update the driver for it, if there was like a driver that needed to be updated or whatnot. So GPU 0, I'm like 90% sure that it is the new one, because the other two, they were running at the same speed. And so yeah, I'm pretty sure that the one I just installed is the 25.24. It really doesn't matter, honestly. They're running pretty good. The fans are running pretty high, and that's probably the new one. Possibly, I have no idea, because it does have that fan stop, and so that's probably why it's running like that. Let's see, and then all the overclocks, it's actually underclocked. I feel like it's not reaching its full potential. I was gonna try out lowering the power stage to 4, see if it'll still run, because I do want to save as much power as possible. We'll just do that. Minimum fan speed 50, and then we'll just leave that at that, and see what happens. So I'll just play with it. I'm just wanting to show you guys that it is working. It is up and running. We got the 4 GPUs up, and then the 6 GPUs here for the NVIDIA rig. So yeah, let's see. So it's back up to 25. I'm not sure if that's with the power stage of 4, or is it the power stage of 5 or 6, possibly. So we'll find out. I will let you know in the next video. I will catch you later. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Follow the Facebook group, United Cryptocurrency. Subscribe to the channel. I will catch you later. Peace.